welcome to the Medical Research Awards. And we have with us today Dr. Sunita Verma, who's the Group Head R&D at the Center for Development of Advanced Computing, CDAC. So welcome to Medical Dialogues Research Summit and Black Buck Awards, ma'am. It's a pleasure to be interviewing you here today.
Thank you. Thank you. It's a pleasure to be here and to be interacting with the medical fraternity. Actually, we're working in the medical electronics, so it's directly interacting with the users of the community.
Very true, ma'am. So now, if you could just let us know what needs or what modes that need to be developed in the medical research. Any inputs from your end that you can give out?
Yeah. So since I am heading the R&D in electronics and IT in the Ministry of Electronics and IT, so our impetus is more on the indigenous development of devices, IT platforms and solutions. So it's more of import substitution, value addition and developing some solutions which are very specific to Indian needs. So towards this we have developed our own linear accelerator, 6MV linear accelerator, blood irradiator system, then ultrasonography machine. Then we have developed various predictive platforms for cancer treatment, for breast cancer, for oral cancer. Then developed technology for service scan. Then also there are many more for microwave disinfection systems, and these are actually import substitution which are not only bringing down the cost of the systems compared to the imported equipment cost, but also we are looking at deployment in the far-flung districts and the villages, so that the actual solutions for diagnostic as well as treatment can go to the last mile. And we have also developed various platforms for prediction of cancer. We have developed a vest for breast cancer treatment, where there are some thermal sensors for early detection of breast cancer, and even an ASHA worker can use that vest for early detection, which can be later on followed up by retail mammography. So some of these technologies have been developed through the funding which has been given by our ministry. So ministry funds the R&D institutions, academic institutions, along with the support to the startups, also for developing and deployment of the medical equipment. And we are working very closely with Ministry of Health, with ICMR, with DBT, with DHR for these initiatives.
Great. So all the best, ma'am. We definitely need a lot of such developments for the promotion of healthcare in India. So that has to go a long way, and it's definitely going to benefit the entire population. So thank you so much for being a part of this research summit, and it's a pleasure to be having you here.
Thank you. Pleasure to